And action.
Hi, I'm Ryan Davies, VP of Sales at Yotta Energy, and today we're in my home state of North Carolina with our good friends at Renu Energy Solutions on top of the Charlotte-Mecklenburg Police Department.
What we're doing today, we're installing a solar system. It's a 37 kilowatt system, which includes our products, 34 of the SolarLEAF and 21 of the 480 DPIs.
Right now, we've got more SolarLEAF installations happening across the country than ever before in our company's history. If you're interested in how you can be part of the exciting technology breakthrough that we've got happening at Yotta, make sure you reach out to us at Yotta Energy, your local distributor, or contact your local installer. Chris, I think we're about done here.
I think we are.
We'll see you guys at the next one.